Ang dami yung alam. Tuwing kayo.
Ama!
O, yan yun. Ay! Sorry, girl! Ah! Ay, kasi mo.
Makaya.
I know.
Makaya.
She pressed me to her breasts.
Love you, Miguel.
I love you too. Oh, what breasts?
My best?
What breasts?
Wala ka kasi ikaw.
That's what she does best. It all right. She pushed me into her breast. What breast? It's what she does best. Could be Teacher Kitty's one of Teacher Kitty's drills.
Lalaman ako nun eh.
She pushed me into her breast. What breast? That's what she does best. I'm sorry, I'm just enjoying this week.
Mamaya na.
Si Christina never pa kasi nasa subject for voting kaya...
While everybody else around.
Put your kids up. Bugoy. Tatay mo yung make your own kind of music. Pag tinanong ba't mo inano yung ano? I'm just keeping my rib cage.
Paano ka?
Make your own.
Alito ng buto ko. No, grabe.
Make your own kind of music.
Kakainis ka. Ito ka sa
Yuck! Oh my God!
Grabe, Chris.
That's so scary.
Ba't ganyan?
Pero nga, may napipigaw pa ng taba. Taba ba yung balat na yan?
Yung taba.
Pili ko ako makapalan yung balat na to.
Pero,
That's why even if I lost weight, the sagging skin is...
Hindi mo salamin. Nakakatakot. Parang
yung balat makapal. Kapal lang mukha. Ganun.
Katakot.
Just say...
Kulang na lang ganun.
Ikaw ba yan? Parang ng robot.
Bakit? Robot na pa yan.
Sabi yung ano
Nakatakot.
Si Christina, pag inupuan ko, mamamatay. Sana matapay
Nangyari
ako.
ka ng katawan. Iyak ito yung napay. Alam?
Yan mo parang buntis.
You're pregnant, man.
Nagpa-check up ka na ba?
Hindi naman. Hindi naman ganun kalaki na yung tiyan niya.
Sobrang yan eh.
Ano ka? Ang liit na nga ng tiyan ko.
Sige. Kasi late ng tiyan ng baka.
Tumingin ka niya kayo.
Huwag nag-diet yung baka. Huwag nag-diet yung baka.
Ito pa kita yung supply ko. Ito yan lahat na lang nawawala kayo. Ano ka? Supply lang naman nawawala.
Yung tiyan pa naman ng baka pakaba. Ano, di ba? Pakaba.
Kapag lakitas.
Wala, linis na.
Pag ako pagkilibo mo, ang tanga.
Baka pa rin.
Hiling ka. Nasusukan na ako po.
Piano room. Yes. Ate, is the food okay now? No.
Piano room na.
Cool down, please. Good.
Doesn't make much to make me happy and make me smile with you. Lalamig. Saan mo? Who's salamig? Miss Kitchen!
Morning. Guys, come on.
Morning, ma'am. Who's salamig?
Grabe. Wow.
Speaking of.
Get away from the rain.